Welcome to the Frasers Cars video walk round for this Toyota Yaris hybrid we now have available. This is a 66 plate Toyota Yaris hybrid 1.5 XL VVTi. It's covered just over 29,000 miles with full service history. It was last serviced on the 26th of August 2020 at 28,362 miles. Comes with 2 keys, and it has the balance of the Toyota 5-year warranty until the 20th of February 2022. Finished in metallic blue. Specification on the car includes rear privacy glass, alloy wheels, remote central locking, front fog lights, front LED daytime running lights, along with automatic headlights and rain sensing front wipers. There's also a rear camera, along with electrically operated door mirrors, and front and rear electric windows. The driver's seat is height adjustable, the steering wheel is reach and brake adjustable. There's also steering wheel audio controls and cruise control, along with climate control that is dual zone, DAB radio and Bluetooth as well. In the back we have space for 3 with 3 3-point seat belts, and the outer rear seats have Isofix child seat preparation. And in the back, rear parcel shelf is present, and there's a 60-40 split fold on the rear seats. So this car is available to view from our Falkirk branch, which is Frasers of Falkirk. You can find us at Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk. The postcode is FK1 4JQ. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk. From there you can reserve the car online, get finance quotations and also apply for finance online. Alternatively, if you wish to give the sales team a call, they're available on 01324 632 333. Thanks for watching.